Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This morning I woke up with 1000 subscribers. I'm so happy for it. I woke up with a huge surprise. I'm not so good with English. I don't know if I pronounce it right or wrong. But thank you guys for everything. I'm going to still post daily every single day. Though when I going to never stop. I'm lying. I'm never gonna stop. Even though I post 10,000 videos a day, I won't stop. I have fun posting those videos daily for you guys. But thing is, it's gonna be hard to still post 4 to 3 times a day. You guys, some of you, my subscribers, know that being with me since I had 50 subscribers being here. I used to only post one video a day or one video a week. Then in March then I started posting two videos a day. In April I started posting 4 videos a day. And today is the 2nd of May. I post 5 yesterday and I just posted 3 today. It's gonna be hard to post so much videos a day, but I will never give up. Some people don't enjoy my content, but if you want to let me better my content, and tell me in your comments what do you want from me, like what kind of videos must I make. Must I make another channel for gaming, or must I go on this channel and only focus on this channel till I reach a higher subscriber count? But all I want to say is thank you guys for all the support that I got from you guys. I got 1019 subscribers. Last night I had 980 subscribers. I thought in 2 days time I will get it 20 subscribers. It looks like I got 29 subscribers in one night, in 7 hours. Because I only slept 7 hours. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos. Peace out.